Hello everyone. So today we learn iteration method. Consider an equation f of x equals to 0 which can take in the form x equals to phi of x. This means an equation f of x equals to 0, we have to take this equation in the form x equals to phi of x. After taking like this, the phi of x should be derivative. Derivative of phi of x should be less than 1. If it is less than 1, only it is conversion. So that the iteration takes place like this. x1 equals to phi of x0, x2 equals to phi of x1, x3 equals to phi of x2, and so on up to after point the 4 decimal should be matches same. So here is the problem 1. Find x equals to 1 plus tan inverse of x by using iteration method. In question 2 given x equals to 1 plus tan inverse of x, we have to take this equation in the form f of x, that is f of x equals to 1 plus tan inverse of x minus x. So this is our f of x. So we have to check one should be less than 0 and another one should be greater than 0. So by putting x values, and we have to check that. So by putting x equals to 0, that is f of 0 equals to 1 plus tan inverse of 0 minus 0 equals to 1, it is greater than 0. So by putting x equals to 1, that is f of 1 equals to 1 plus tan inverse of 1 minus 1 equals to 0.7863. So again it is greater than 0. So we got here f of 2 is greater than 0 and f of 3 is less than 0. We have to take the nearer value. So I am taking here 2 and 3, that is x0. We have to take the average of this 2, that is 2 plus 3 by 5. Then we get as 2.5. So x0 value is 2.5. This is our x0 value. After getting as x0 value, we have to take the equation in the form like this: x equals to phi of x. In question the given x equals to 1 plus tan inverse of x. This is already in the form of x equals to phi of x, and phi of x is 1 plus tan inverse of x. We have to derivative this phi of x, that should be less than 1. So derivation of phi of x is, we have to get 1 upon 1 plus x square. So by putting in place of x 2.5, we have to get is as less than 1. So 1 upon 1 plus 2.5 square, we get 0.137. So it is less than 1, it is conversion. So iteration takes place like this: x1 equals to phi of x0. We have to substitute x0 value in this phi of x equation, that is 1 plus tan inverse of 2.5. So x1 equals to 2.1903. So we have to take another iteration: x2 equals to phi of x1 equals to 1 plus tan inverse of, we have to put here x1 value 2.1903. So x2 equals to 2.1425. Again x3 equals to phi of x2 equals to 1 plus tan inverse of 2.1425. So x3 equals to 2.1341. So x4 equals to phi of x3. So 1 plus tan inverse of 2.1341, x4 equals to 1325. So x5 equals to phi of x4 equals to 1 plus tan inverse of 2.1325. So x5 equals to 1323. So we have to take after 1 the 4 decimal should be matches same. In this x4 we got 2.1325, and here also x5 2.1323. The 3 decimal matches same, so we have to take another iteration. x6 equals to phi of xy equals to 1 plus tan inverse of 2.1323. So x6 equals to 2.1323. So here is the 4 decimal should be matches same. So the root is 2.1323. This is the iteration method. So we have to do the problem on iteration method like this. Thank you.